Welcome to the benefits of. This channel covers all things health. Today, let's discuss the health benefits of Glucomannan. If you value positive health information and want to enrich your body, mind, and spirit with the latest science-backed information, subscribe. Knowledge transcends power when you arm your body with the means to defend itself. Living with pollution, pesticides, and pervasive chemicals, it's unsurprising that we compound our woes with stress. Armed with knowledge, you can improve, even thrive. Allow us to assist you in cultivating a rich, healthy, and abundant life with the most current science-supported information. Your journey to self-improvement starts with this video, so let's begin. Glucomannan. You need to add this to your diet. Weight management. Glucomannan is widely recognized for its potential to aid in weight loss. It expands in the stomach when mixed with water, creating a sensation of fullness that can reduce appetite and calorie intake. Clinical studies have shown significant weight reduction among participants using Glucomannan as part of their regimen. When combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, the fiber delays stomach emptying, making you feel full longer, which can help with portion control and overall calorie reduction. Digestive health. This fiber acts as a prebiotic, supporting the growth of beneficial gut bacteria. It aids in bowel regularity by bulking up stools and easing constipation. However, it's important to drink plenty of water when using Glucomannan to avoid gastrointestinal blockages. It slows the absorption of carbs, preventing sharp spikes in blood sugar levels after meals, a benefit for people with type 2 diabetes. It improves insulin sensitivity and reduces fasting blood glucose levels, making it a valuable tool for managing diabetes when used appropriately. Cholesterol management. Studies suggest that Glucomannan can help lower LDL, bad cholesterol, by binding to bile acids in the gut, which are then excreted. This process forces the body to use cholesterol to produce more bile acids, thereby lowering overall cholesterol levels. It also supports heart health by reducing total cholesterol and triglycerides. Skin and beauty benefits. Emerging evidence highlights Glucomannan's role in enhancing skin quality. It may improve hydration and skin elasticity by supporting gut health, which is intricately connected to skin health. Appetite suppression. Taking Glucomannan 30 to 60 minutes before meals can help reduce meal sizes and improve overall dietary habits. Metabolic support. The fiber indirectly aids metabolism by reducing calorie absorption and supporting gut health. Usage and precautions. Dosage. A typical dose is 1 gram, taken with a full glass of water, up to 3 times daily before meals. Hydration. Adequate water intake is essential to prevent choking or gastrointestinal blockages. Side effects. While generally safe, it may cause mild gas, bloating, or diarrhea in some individuals. People with swallowing difficulties or certain gastrointestinal conditions should consult a healthcare provider before use. Incorporating Glucomannan into your diet can significantly enhance your health when paired with a nutritious diet and active lifestyle. Its versatility and science-backed benefits make it a valuable addition to wellness routines. Hydration is crucial when incorporating Glucomannan into your diet due to its unique ability to absorb water and expand. Hydration is extremely important. This fiber can swell up to 50 times its weight in liquid, which helps create a feeling of fullness and aids in digestive processes. However, without sufficient hydration, Glucomannan could cause gastrointestinal blockages or difficulty swallowing, especially if taken in capsule form. Always take Glucomannan with a full glass of water 8 to 16 ounces and maintain adequate hydration throughout the day. Water intake not only supports its function in appetite suppression and cholesterol regulation, but enhances overall digestive health, reducing the risk of discomfort or complications. Thanks for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed the information and found it helpful. Remember, the content here is for educational purposes and not a substitute for professional medical advice. Always consult with a healthcare professional before making any major health decisions. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the notification bell to stay updated. Remember to check the links below for additional resources. Thanks for watching and supporting the benefits of channel. I look forward to seeing you in the next video.